I hope you're ready to sweat, booties. Get a little steamy in here. We're gonna start this way to the right. Step, step, together. Just touch, touch. Step, down, step, up, touch. Yes. It's very chill right now. Let's practice around, behind. Watch Cameron for level 1. Level 2 turns around. Yes. Pump, pump. Slide down as low as you can go. Speed it up. Pump. Roll. Yes. Roll. Step out and roll down. Grab those weights. Woo! You're dancing and lifting. Yes. Practice again, around, behind. One more time. All the way. Pump 4 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slinky. Speed it up. Don't give up on me. Just watch me. Step out, just breathe. Just look sexy and pretend you're not tired. I want you to clear the bar off in front of you. Make sure you have everything off. And let's practice. Now I want you to pretend that you're getting up on that bar. And you're gonna do this last dance like you're dancing for everyone. Give them a show. Ha! Last time. Ha! Great, fine. Ha! Again. Electric slide, take it down. Sweat. Pump your body. Yes. However you want to pump it out. Last one. Are you sweating? Are you sweating? Are you? Hope you guys like this dance. If you did, click here for 60-minute weekly sweat sessions. Click here to keep on dancing and click below to get the merch that we're wearing.